Pakistan's top cleric Maulana Fazlur Rahman has triggered outrage after openly threatening to defy Pakistan's new child marriage and domestic violence laws. Speaking inside the National Assembly, the senior cleric rejected these reforms. He called them unconstitutional and against Islamic principles. He went on to claim that he would openly violate the law and even attend and facilitate child marriages. The remarks came after Pakistan's parliament passed the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Act, which criminalizes physical, emotional and psychological abuse, defines child as anyone who's under 18. And that's something that Fazlur Rahman seems to have taken objection to, demanding that the laws be sent to the Council of the Islamic Ideology, arguing that Parliament has no authority over making religious decisions. India is watching these developments closely. In fact, government sources are now revealing to CNN News 18 that India is concerned with such kind of stance that has been taken in our neighborhood, warning that such statements undermine the rule of law. They threaten rights of women and children in Pakistan.
मैं ऐलान करता हूं कि मैं सरेआम इसकी खिलाफ वर्जी करूंगा और 15 साल और 16 साल और 12 साल और 10 साल के जवानों की शादियां कराऊंगा और उनमें खुद बैठूंगा। आप बताएंगे कि फिर आप किस तरह मेरा मुकाबला करते हैं। मैं आपके कानून को चैलेंज करता हूं, मैं आपकी कानून साजी को चैलेंज करता हूं, मैं आपकी ज़हनियत को चैलेंज करता हूं।
Akanksha now joins us, getting us more perspective on this. Akanksha, it's not surprising that Maulana Fazlur Rahman would make a challenge like that. I mean, it would be expected that clerics, religious leaders in Pakistan would be up in arms against such a law.
Absolutely, and this is also a reflection of a failure of Pakistan's polity, which is now giving in to these kind of Islamic hardliners, these clerics. They deserve to be arrested. Remember, he's in fact called this entire Domestic Violence Act as unconstitutional, unlawful. In fact, even gone on to say that he will ensure that all those who are under the age of 18, girls, whether they are as old as 12, 13, 15 or below the age of 18, are going to get married, and he will ensure that he's part of that marriage. He will ensure that they are sanctified as legal. Who is he to do that? So clearly, it's also an indication, Poonam, that Pakistan's political system has completely collapsed, where it's torn between, say, the draconian politics of Asim Munir versus these Islamic clerics who, in fact, are now becoming such a staunch and strong voice that even the government is, in fact, afraid to take action against them. And this is what Maulana Fazlur Rahman of the JUIF has said, that it is unconstitutional and unlawful. He is, in fact, demanded that this entire act should be referred to the Islamic Council. So there's complete disregard for the Pakistan Assembly, for the Pakistan Constitution, which, remember, in fact, gave a free passage to this bill. And with, say, opposition voices like Maulana Fazlur Rahman now opposing this bill actively, which, remember, in fact, this entire act is terming the age of 18 as the legal marriageable age, irrespective of whatever gender. Boys and girls, all only above the age of 18 will be allowed to get married, and this is exactly the tenet that he is challenging. And under this act, women have also been given protection against domestic violence. So is he also sanctifying that kind of domestic violence? Is he sanctifying the plight of women that has been plaguing the country of Pakistan? With this kind of Islamic hegemony now taking over, questions again are being raised against the Shehbaz Sharif government and, of course, the rule of law, which, as we all know, has drastically undergone changes after the 27th Amendment was passed, and it was Asim Munir who, in fact, concentrated all power in his hands. But clearly, he is now succumbing to the rule of these Islamic clerics.